I posted about an hour ago. You've gone to the hospital where una keep him since that guy has not been feeling well, and you guys know that he has not been feeling well. You went to the hospital, smuggled.
The lovers of truth. Ụmụ Igbo ekene m unu n'ihe ọma na-adụ mma ndị na-akwụ n'eziokwu ya dọrọ na anyị mma. Ụmụnne m biko omego 3 days nwanne anyị nwoke onye ụnafụ n'ihu akwụkwọ ndị person of Ikechukwu Ezenagụ onye nke eji mmụọ mmiri were mara gara court since ya people na-ata again mụ na ife onye na-edefend ihe o mere. What is need of this? I don't want to talk. I don't want to respond. Now, I'm going to the time. Now, because I would like you to watch this video first and foremost. Watch this video and make sure you share this video. You watch this video. I want you to be the judge of this video and make sure you share it because yeah, video made play alone.
Attention of the Commissioner of Police in Anambra State and of course His Excellency the Governor of Anambra State, Professor Charles Soludo, to the issue of Ikechukwu, right? John Paul, that's the popular Anambra native doctor that was arrested sometime last month, okay? And has been in the custody of the Agunejemba people. And the video I just made about an hour ago, when I mentioned on that video what the Agunejemba people they do, and I mentioned the name of John Paul, right? Mmiri for that video. As I speak to you guys, Nigerians, because I mentioned on that video that I have made a video of about 25 minutes to explain detail about what transpire. When a lot of Nigerians don't know about, they're not 10 Nigerians, but trust me, there are evidences to all of these things where happen. And I mentioned on that video that the commandant of Agunejemba, in the person of what's this name, Dibia, okay, in Oba, collected money from mmiri. He collected money. They used POS to withdraw 3 million naira, gave to him, and made a transfer to an account of 2.5 million naira. Yes, their initial whole idea was to go and make money from mmiri. That was their initial idea. When they broke into his compound, broke all his CCTV cameras, carried him and his brother, tied them up, parked for road, they negotiate amount with him, open in 3 bank accounts, where you only found Dibia, what was your name? The commandant of this Agunejemba for Oba was just 2 million naira, and then you went and negotiated with him until they raised 5.5 million naira and gave to you before you release them. This happened between on the 10th and on the 11th of March. We get a lot of the receipts. We've taken a lawyer already. Barrister Macha is working on this case as we speak. A lot has been happening. And whether you guys like it or not, you will be shocked. Say that money, at the point where one divides that money, person when you cheat, when not they comfortable, he must give us the information. And we will continue to get that information. Because after I made that video and mentioned the name of mmiri, in my video I posted about an hour ago, you've gone to the hospital where una keep him since that guy has not been feeling well, and you guys know that he has not been feeling well. You went to the hospital, smuggled. hold him out, una not show the place. When una carry him, they drag him, they come out, even though the hospital said he was not fit and they were making arrangements to get ambulance to take him to court. But you smuggled him out, trying to bully everybody not to record. You took him to court and you are painting the narrative that is not true. Now, because I mentioned in case for the video I do about care guy just now, when I don't go, they go first hospital, so when I want discharge him, make it down under custody. And I'm saying to you guys, if anything happens to him, Nigerians will hold both the governor of Anambra State, the commissioner of police of Anambra State, and then the Agun Ejemba. Because I don't understand how Agun Ejemba, now they keep people for where police did. Instead of being in police custody, Agun Ejemba is now assuming the role of Nigerian police in Anambra State. So you guys know, if anything happened to John Paul, Mmuo, mmiri, Agun Ejemba, we go hold owner accountable. Apart from that 5.5 million naira, when you collect the commandant for Oba, Mr. Ken, you are the one in charge of security in Anambra State. When the governor make, Mr. Ken, or what's your name? Our eyes is also on you. In that lion building, you guys must do the right thing. If anything happens to this guy, we owe you responsible. We are Nigerians. Everybody get right to freedom of worship. If una find any other thing when they do, when una feel say oh, it go against the law of Nigeria, it's fine. But doing what you're doing now because una know what thing una don't do. I not just want to talk for this video, but we go to bring the matter of them out small. As una, because whether oh Nigeria, people were supposed to keep law and order. Now you went to arrest a native doctor. According to Ona, the day you went to the house of mmiri, Professor Charles Soludo, the people when Ona sent to go arrest him, tie juju for hand, make it make sense. But you see, apart from the CCTV camera when Ona destroy, scatter everything, when we get to court, you will understand. We will never support an act that is or a behavior that is against the constitution, but then we will not also allow you take out the fundamental human rights of people. If you say you don't want to go church, you don't want to go mosque, you want to serve in juju, leave him to his belief.
Nwanne nke watchara video, kedu ife ghọtara na kedu ife nwere ike ikwu. Gbazie m ife web n'obi go na comment section. And can you share this video? Tag Yalom Governor Chukwu Soludo, tag Yalom Emakai, and tag Yalom the Commissioner of Police of Anambra State. Ka have the injustice na alo na Anambra State. Ma na mekwe onwere onye monyo ya eputu echi ku uche idea. Nwanne enwe ife ga-emerụ m.